Video, we'll learn how to balance the chemical equation for the decomposition of potassium chlorate. Let's start with the unbalanced equation. Let's begin by checking the number of potassium atoms. We have one on each side. Then we check chlorine, and again, there is one on each side. Finally, the oxygen atoms. On the left we have 3, and on the right we have 2. So we need to balance. To balance the oxygen, find the least common multiple, LCM, of 3 and 2, which is 6. So we need 6 oxygens on each side. To achieve this, we place a coefficient of 2 before KClO3 and a coefficient of 3 before O2. This gives us the balanced equation. 2 KClO3 yields 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Let's verify. We have 2 potassium atoms on both sides, 2 chlorine atoms on both sides, and 6 oxygen atoms. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 on both sides. Therefore, our equation is balanced.